to the video. In this video, we are writing a program in 8086 assembly language to find the 2's complement of a 8-bit number. So first, we will understand the program, then we will execute the program using the 8086 microprocessor kit also. So we will perform the practical on the 8086 microprocessor kit and see how the program is executed using the kit. So first we will understand the program. So this is the program. So we are using 1 2 3 4 5 6 instructions here, and these 4 instructions will give us the 2's complement of a 8-bit number. So first we will have a 8-bit number at the address 2000. So first we will have to enter the 8-bit number at the address 2000, and at 2001 we will have the output. So we have entered the 8-bit number which is 07. This is our input 07 which we have entered at address 2000, and we will check the output at address 2001. So now we are writing the program. So we are writing the program from address 0400. So 0400 is the starting address. 0000 is to 0400. So this is the addressing scheme of 8086 assembly 8086 microprocessor. So first we have entered the instruction mov bx, 2000 because we have the number at address 2000. So we will write the instruction mov bx, 2000. So it will load the data 2000 into 16-bit register bx. So obviously in 8086 microprocessor the registers are of 16 bits. So this bx is 16-bit register. It is divided into two parts, bl and bh. So bl will be 8-bit and bh will be 8-bit. So these both will be combined to give bx. So bx is a 16-bit register. So obviously this is a 16-bit number. This 0 is 4-bit, this 0 is 4-bit, this 0 is 4-bit, and this 2 is 4-bit. So total 16-bit data. So we have loaded 2000 into 16-bit register bx. Then so this instruction is of 3 bytes. So 1, 2 and 3. So it will be stored at location 0400, 0401 and 0402. At 0400 we will have BB, then at 0401 we will have 00, then at 0402 we have 20. So MOV this is a 3-byte instruction. So again this move will be a 2-byte instruction. So in 8086 move can be 3 byte or 2 bytes. This move is also a 2-byte instruction. So the next instruction is at location 0403. It is MOV AL, BX. So as you can see, these are the square brackets. BX is within square brackets. So it means we will copy the content of BX's address. So BX will be, the contents of BX will be treated as an address. So we will copy the content of BX's address. Now BX has 2000. It means the content of 2000 address will be copied to AL. So at 2000 we have our original data 07. It means AL will contain 07. It means AL will now contain 07. Again AL is a 8-bit register. A denotes the accumulator of 8086 microprocessor. So again it is AX. So AX is 16-bit. Again it is divided into two parts, AL and AH. AL is 8-bit and AH will be 8-bit. Here we are using only AL. So AL is a 8-bit register and we are storing our 8-bit data 07 into AL register. So the next instruction is add EGAL. So add EGAL means finding the 2's complement of the contents of AL. So it means the 2's complement of AL will be now stored in AL. So AL will now contain F9 because the 2's complement of 07 is F9. So now AL contains F9. The next instruction is INC BX. So always INC and DEC means increment BX by 1 and DEC BX means decrement BX by 1. So always increment and decrement happens by 1 only. So now BX will contain 2001. BX will be equal to 2001. Here BX was equal to 2000. but now we have incremented bx by 1, so now bx contains 2001. The next instruction is MOV, again square bracket. So square bracket denotes address. MOV bx comma AL. So it means copy the content of AL to bx's address. So this 2001, it is written in now square bracket. So 2001 will be treated as address. So now the contents of this register AL will be copied to bx's address. So it means the contents of AL will be copied to 2001. So it means now we will have the 2's complement at 2001. Because here we found out the 2's complement, then we incremented bx by 1, and finally we have copied the 2's complement to bx's address. So it means this F9 is now the 2's complement. This is the 2's complement. So we have achieved our object. Our object was to find the 2's complement of a 8-bit number, and we have achieved the object. So we will finally halt the program. So F4 is the opcode for halt. BB07 is the opcode for this MOV BX, AL. 43 is the opcode for INC BX. F6 D8 is the opcode for NEG AL. So this is a 3-byte instruction, this is a 2-byte instruction, this is a 2-byte instruction, this is a 1-byte instruction, this is a 2-byte instruction, and halt is also a 1-byte instruction. So you can see our final program is ending at 0408. So now we will go to the kit. So first I will want to tell you some keywords for the kit. So for assembly we will use the A button of our 8086 microprocessor. So A means assembly, and so when we have to enter the program onto the 8086 kit, we will press the A button of the keyboard, and when we have to execute the program, then we will press the G button. So G button on the keyboard is used to perform the execution, and when we have to enter the data onto the memory, or we have to retrieve the data from the memory, then we will press the D button. D means for data. So now let us move to the kit and see how the program is executed on the kit. So now we will see how to execute the program on the 8086 microprocessor kit. So we have the kit from Vinitix. So first press A button. A means assembly mode. Then type 0400. So 0400 is the starting address, and press enter. Then we will enter the first command, which is MOV BX, 2000. Then at 0403 we will enter the second command, MOV AL, BX. Remember, BX is in brackets. Then we will enter the third command, NEGAL, at address 0405. Then we will enter the next command, INCBX, which is increment the BX register. Then we will enter the next command, MOV BX, AL. Finally HLT, which is the last command. So this will halt the instruction. So our program has been entered. Now press the reset button. So as you can see, now press the G button. So G is for execution. So it will show 0400. Press enter. The cursor will stop blinking. It means the program has been executed. So again press the enter button. Now we will have to give the our data. So first press button D and press 2000. So our number is at 2000. We will enter 07 at the address 2000. Now again press reset key. Again go G and press enter. So our program will again be executed. Now we have to check the output. So again press the D button. D means for data. So D, again give the address 2000. So as you can see, at 2000 we have the data 07, and at 2001 we have data